Hope is a tractor at LaPorte Farms that represents breast cancer awareness. This is now Hope's Forever Home. Many community members came together with donation of materials and times to create this beautiful structure that now houses Hope at LaPorte Farms. A friend of Laura's donated this 1941 tractor. Laura was able to connect with Dyer Chevrolet, who painted Hope Breast Cancer Awareness pink. We want to thank everyone for making this event possible. Thank you, community members, for showing your support. Thank you to our local business owners for donating raffle prizes and food. And thank you for everyone who helped LaPorte Farms build this forever home and restore hope for breast cancer awareness.